Hello everyone, welcome to day 14 of FortiGate Firewall series. Guys, in the last class in day 13, we had discussed some most important OSPF configuration and troubleshooting commands on FortiGate Firewall. And in today's class, in day 14, we are going to understand area route summarization on FortiGate Firewall. OSPF area route summarization. Like here in this scenario, you can see my FortiGate firewall is connecting two different area 0 and area 1. Right, link between router 1 and firewall is in area 0, and the link between router 2 and firewall is in area 1. So in this case, my firewall will act as a ABR router, area border router, ABR router, because it is connecting to different area. One is backbone area and other can be any regular area like area 1. And you can see router 1 is advertising some route 10.1.1.0, 10.1.2.0, 10.1.3.0 to FortiGate firewall through OSPF routing protocol. Similarly, router 2 is advertising these LAN subnet 20.1.1.0, 20.1.2.0, 20.1.3.0. And you know, in OSPF, we cannot perform summarization on all router, right? You can perform route summarization or route filtering on ABR router very easily or on ESBR router, not on any other types of router. So as my firewall is ABR router, here we can perform route summarization. Example, let's suppose this this is in area 0 and this one is in area 1. What I want, let's suppose guys, router 2 is capable to handle these all LAN prefixes, and here we have only 3 LAN subnet, but you can assume we have huge amount of prefixes here, 100 number of prefixes, 1000 number of prefixes are there, and router 1 cannot maintain those all in their routing table. We want to reduce the size of routing table, right? Let's say routing table size of R1 is getting larger, or maybe R1 is further connected with another router, right, with their neighbor. So we want to summarize area 1 route into area 0, right? Not only in area 0, maybe my FortiGate firewall is connected with another area also, let's say area 3. So I want to perform route summarization of area 1 route into all other areas like in area 0 and area 3. Right, by default, if you will not configure summarization, what will happen? Router 2 will advertise all these individual prefixes to firewall, FortiGate firewall, and FortiGate firewall will advertise all individual prefixes to area 0 as well as to area 3. Right, if we have 100 number of routers in area 0 or in area 3, all are going to install individual prefixes in their routing table, right? Sometimes you need to reduce the size of routing table. Maybe few routers are there which cannot maintain these amount of route. So in that case, how you will perform summarization? In this case, you will configure a route summarization. And to configure route summarization, first of all, you have to find the summary address of these all three individual prefixes. Like instead of advertising these all prefixes from area 1 to area 0, will advertise the summary address, right? So what will be the summary address of these three subnet? Guys, if you don't know how to summarize the route, you can watch my route summarization video on PM Networking YouTube channel. But let me tell you, the summary address of these all three individual prefixes will be 10 dot, sorry, not 10, 20.1.1 20.1.0.0 slash 22, right? And you know, submit mask for slash 22 will be 255.255.252.0. Okay, so this is my summary route, this is my summary route, and these all are the individual route, right? These all individual routes are the part of this summary route. So instead of advertising all these individual prefixes to R1, my FortiGate firewall will advertise the summary route. And let me show you how you can configure this. So here is my topology. Again, same topology, right? In the last class also we have used this topology, but here I have defined the area. You can see this interface is in area 0 and this interface is in area 1, and this interface is also in area 0, or I can put it in any other area as well, no problem. Here I have the GUI access of my FortiGate firewall admin, and admin, you can see OSPF protocol is already running, enabled and working fine. Even in the routing table you can see 6 routes are there in OSPF routing table, right? And if I will take you to the network section and OSPF, here you can see, here we are not able to see any summarization option, right? Like under area, if you will edit it, you can see there is no any option to summarize. Here you can configure NSSA area, stub area, right? You can configure the authentication in area 0, but we don't have any option to summarize a route between the area, correct? Here are two neighbor and additional information. This is not for you now. Network commands, even under network command you will not find this, because this particular thing is called area summarization, area route summarization, interfaces and summary route. See, this summary route is again different thing. Let me delete this. This is not what I am talking about. This is for external prefixes, like for LSA5. Let's say your FortiGate firewall is you are redistributing, let's say BGP into OSPF, and you want to summarize those redistributed route. Then you will use this summary, because here if I am going to create new, you can see we don't have any option to summarize route of area 1 into area 0. Okay, so but you can do it very easily through CLI. I'm going to show you that. Here redistributions are there, we'll talk about redistribution later. Okay, so this is the dashboard and you have seen that OSPF is already running. Now let me take you to the console of my FortiGate firewall. Let me log in admin and admin, and you can see, so not so, get router OSPF, get router info OSPF and database, and let's say brief. So here you can see the database. Routers are advertising all individual 20 prefixes, and in area 0 it is advertising these all prefixes in area 0 in form of LSA3 summary LSA. Similarly, it is advertising all 10 subnets in area 1 in form of LSA3 summary LSA, and this is why on router number 1 you will be getting all individual prefixes. So IP route OSPF, you can see all individual 20 prefixes are there. Now I want to summarize these all 20 subnet on FortiGate firewall. Let me show you the configuration, and after that again we will verify the database or routing table, right? For now, if you will check routing table, so router info, get router info routing table OSPF, you can see the routing table 10 and 20 subnets. Now go to OSPF configuration mode, configure router OSPF, and here you will configure area first, configure area. And how many area are there? Two areas are there, right? Two area 0 and area 1 is already there. So let me modify, let me edit the area 1, right? Edit 0.0.0.1. Right now I am under area 1 because I want to summarize area 1 prefix in other area, in area 0 or area 3 or area 5, in any other area. So now I am under area 0, and here on the router you use range command, right? Similarly here you will use range command. You have to say config range, config range. Now I am under range, and here I will make one entry, edit 1, and now you can see new entry 1 added. And now I can set the prefix, set prefix, and tell me the summary address 20.1.0.0, submit mask 255.255.252.0, 0 and let me use question mark, nothing, enter, and then set advertise enable. That's it. This is how you can perform summarization, OSPF summarization, OSPF area summarization on FortiGate firewall. On the router, many times we have seen this, right? This kind of summarization on Cisco router. This is the first time when we are learning OSPF route summarization on FortiGate firewall. Now to save it, say next and end. and and now we need to clear OSPF process once on the router. You know how to clear OSPF process, clear IP OSPF process, but on the FortiGate firewall command is quite different. Here you will run command execute and router clear OSPF process, OSPF process. Okay, OSPF process is cleared, and so not so get router info routing table OSPF. Now no any route is there, routing table is empty, and again you can see the routing table, and here it has created one entry on null zero interface. You can see this one, the most important entry in the routing table, 20.1.0.0/22. Okay, AD value, uh, metric, because FortiGate firewall is advertising summarizing the route, right? So FortiGate firewall is advertising the summary address, that's why metric is 0 here, and connected on null zero interface. Just it have created one entry to avoid the loop, similarly like router. And now if I will take you to R1 router 1, and let me show you the routing table. So IP route OSPF, and now you can see the routing table size is reduced. Here we are getting now the summary route. Ping will still work, ping 20.1.1.1 and source 10.1.1. Ping is, you can see, working, right? There is no any issue, but route is summarized. So IP route OSPF, done. And so IP OSPF database, in the database also you can see database is summarized. Earlier there was 3 summary advertisement in area 0, now we have only one summary advertisement for 20 subnet, right? Earlier total 4 summary advertisement was there, now only 2 are there, done. Similarly you can also summarize area 0 prefix into area 1, and here some commands are there, like you can use to verify it. Get router info OSPF database brief. Here you will get to know that router, like your FortiGate firewall, is summarizing this these routes. Here is the summary LSA, done. And then you can use command get router info OSPF and route, right? You can see the routing table on the FortiGate firewall. Routing table is same, just it has install one extra route with null zero interface, and then we can check the complete routing table OSPF. Here is the routing table, done. Hope it is clear. If you want to summarize area 0 prefix, again now you will go to, and on the guys GUI, on the GUI you can see that this is the limitation of GUI. Here 20.1.0.0/22, but when you will open it you will not get anything, right? Nothing is there, just tag value. Even if I will add tag value 10, what will happen? Tag 10. And now on FortiGate firewall, if I am going to clear the OSPF process once again, and then if I will take you to R1, and if I will run command show IP OSPF database, so IP OSPF database, Here is the external prefix. We'll talk about this in redistribution. Where is the summary address? Here is the summary address, and so IP route OSPF. Here is the summary address, and if I will open this summary address in detail 20.1.0.0, what happened? This command should work here, but is not working, right? So actually just I want to tell you that this, so IP route and 20.1.1.20.1.0.0, this is how we can open the prefix in detail, correct? Coming from OSPF distance metric area last update, right? And the gateway, nothing is there, like the tag value, because that summarization is different thing. Even if I will delete this from here, if I will delete this and apply and go to FortiGate firewall and clear OSPF process once again and go to router number 1 and check the routing table, so IP route OSPF, wait for some time, summary route will come. Now you can see here, right? Summary route. So this summarization is different thing, right? Here we don't have any entry. This is for redistribution. Okay, hope now it is clear. And guys, last request is, if you are watching all FortiGate firewall videos in series in sequence, then like the video and share your feedback, how the course is going on, right? Are you learning or not? Videos are helpful for you or not? Even if any suggestion for me or feedback for me, if you will share, it will be glad for me. Okay, so it's humble request to you, like the video and share your feedback. We'll meet soon in next video. Till then, stay safe. That's all for today. Bye bye.